everyone, welcome to the class application of BIM technology. The main functions of the roof are load-bearing, protection, and aesthetics. It mainly consists of the roof layer, the load-bearing structure, the thermal insulation. In Revit, there are many ways to create roof, such as roof by footprint, roof by extrusion, roof by face, and so on. In this lesson, we will talk about the creation of roof by footprint. The main knowledge points involved are setting the structural level of the roof, the analysis of the slope of the roof by footprint.
Let's look at this example. Create a roof model and set its material according to the size given in the following figure. Named its material as roof cast-in-place concrete 175. The roof slope is 30 degrees. Please save the model with the file name sloping roof. You can see from the material detail, the structure of the roof is 20 mm asphalt shingle, 50 mm rigid insulation, 50 mm cement mortar, 175 mm concrete. From the dimensions of the plan, you can see the detailed size of the roof. This is the east, west, south, north elevations. These graphics can be used for later comparison. This is the axonometric drawing. Switch to the software. We created a new project file. Currently, it is in the Level 1 floor plan view. Select Architecture, Build Roof, and click Roof by Footprint. In the Northeast Level notice, we select Level 2, click Yes. In the Properties panel, click Edit Type, enter to the Type Properties. Click Duplicate and change the name to Roof Cast-in-Place Concrete. Click OK. And then change Structure Parameter, click Edit, enter to Edit and save. According to the material detail, select core boundary, insert 3 times, and change its functions to the finish 1-4, thermal air layer, and substrate, and then change the thickness to 20, 50, 50, 175, and then we need to set the material of the different function. In the finish 1-4 by categories, click to enter the material browser and search asphalt and select asphalt shingle. Double-click to assign this material to finish 1-4. Use the same method to select rigid insulation to thermal air layer and select cement mortar to substrate and select concrete cast in place for structure 1. Click OK 2 times to complete it. On the Modify Create Roof Footprint, we draw the boundary line in the Draw panel. Select Lines. In the Drawing interface, Put the mouse to select the star point. Move it vertically and enter the distance 8,000, and then move it horizontal, enter 50,000, 4,000, 11,000. Okay. After complete the boundary line of the roof, yes say twice to excite the current command. According to the plan, the relationship between boundary lines and trees, we can judge that the lowest boundary line and the rightmost boundary line have no slope. Press and hold the Ctrl key to select these two lines, and uncheck Define Slope on the option bar. The current slope defaults to 30 degrees, consistent with the title. Click Finish Edit Model. Enter to the 3D view to see the effect. In the project browser, double-click to the Level 2 floor plan view. We found that the roof was not or displayed in the view. In the current view, do not select any component at this point. The Properties panel displays the properties of the floor plan, and find the view range under the icons. Click Edit. In the View Range dialog box, change the cut plane offset to 2000. Click OK. We can see the entire plan of the roof. Select this roof. In the Modify Roofs model, click Edit Footprint. Enter shortcut command SL to split the uppermost boundary line. $1,300, $3,600, $1,200, $3,600. It can be analyzed from the plan. These two 3,600 segment boundary line, there is no slope due to the appearance of sloping roofs. Press and hold Ctrl key to select these two segments. Uncheck Define Slope on the option bar. How to form a sloping roof here? We will select Slope arrow in the Draw panel and draw the slope arrow. After the drawing is finished, select all the slope arrows. In the Properties, change the Specify to Slope and keep the slope is 30 degrees. Click Finish Edit Model. That is, the drawing of the roof is completed. In the project browser, select Elevations. Open the elevation view for comparison. Double-click East, North, South, West. Enter to the 3D view to see the effect, and change the layer style to realistic. This is its isometric view. Finally, save as the file to project sloping roof.
Everyone, that's all for today's class. See you.